One of the next big ones that I know Michael loves, his favorite one.
Oh,
one
no.
of the first
we
ones
already did it.
is going to be one of the ones that started it all, okay? Litecoin.
Oh, yeah. Litecoin was one of my first investments.
Yes.
So let's see. Okay, I've got Litecoin pulled up whenever you're ready.
All right, so we're going to do live technical analysis on Litecoin. Let me hand it over to Crypto Papi.
All right. So, yeah, Litecoin I've always been a fan of, even when it comes to the decision to go to the Bitcoin conference or to the Litecoin summit. I will go to the Litecoin summit every single time, regardless of who's attending the Bitcoin conference. So anyways, let's start with Litecoin paired with the US dollar. We're on the monthly time frame. Data's coming in from Coinbase here. So, I mean, just take a look at what we have here. It looks like beautiful natural movement. We've been going sideways, but we've been slowly grinding up to the upside over a long period of time. Looks like our touch point here, second touch point on the trend line to the downside below us was on June 1st, 2022, sorry. And then we've just slowly been riding this wave, even though it's a slow movement up. When Litecoin pops, you can see here, popped, popped, right? So what's going to potentially happen soon is we're going to have a nice big movement to the upside. And you could see here, I saved the 125% movement to the upside from one of our previous lives, probably back in, let's see, it looks like May 2025.
Okay.
So a few months back, save that. So our 618 Fibonacci level, which we do need to get back above the 236 level of about $102, will be about 125% movement to the upside to get us to about the low $200 range, which is lined up with our 618 Fibonacci level. We have our swing high. This is really, again, a Fibonacci extension. Our swing high, November 1st, 2021. Then our swing low is roughly right here of June 1st, 2022, and we just have it extended out. And we really haven't been bouncing around this Fibonacci too much. We've been a little range bound, and we're stuck hanging out around this lower trend line. So hopefully when we do break out of this, we make up for all these years of just going sideways consolidation, dealing with this little minor pumps and retracing it by 100%, if not more, and just using this trend line as guidance, which started, the first touch point is way back here, March 1st, 2020. So you're talking over a 5-year trend line that we've just really, I know this doesn't really count because we were nowhere near the trend line, but now for years just being on this trend line is a little crazy. So expect us to break our red box of resistance, which is currently resistance. Here, bottom of the box is at 123, top of the box is about 126. So once we break this level and start going for our 618, then Litecoin could really start cooking. But in order for that to happen, Bitcoin needs to cool off a bit, money needs to flow into Ethereum, and we need a proper alt season. So if we look over here at the weekly time frame, you could see not too much difference between the weekly and monthly, obviously, just because we've been going sideways and consolidating and making small movements for so long that, I mean, we really need a big breakout in order to get us out of this range bound area and get us back into the low to mid $200 range, get some excitement back around Litecoin. But again, like I said, that's dependent on Bitcoin slowing down, Ethereum starting to get some legs and really start running to and above $4,000. And then obviously we could expect Litecoin and the rest of the alts to play catch up and really flourish and show us what a moonshot looks like.
Oh man, I mean, it's looking pretty good so far. I mean, this is nicely and slowly creating higher lows, which is always good, right, to see.
Right.
Slowly but surely. We're here for the long run. Litecoin is the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Correct, right? That was the idea on it.
Yep.
There's what, 42 million Litecoin?
84 million.
84 million.
Yep.
So it's quadruple the amount, right?
Yep.
A Bitcoin.
21 and 84.
There you go. So it's basically that should be the digital silver compared to Bitcoin's digital gold.
Right.
Anyways, all right. So that was Litecoin is looking okay so far. It's going to look better once all season starts happening.